Well, students, today I am taking chapter 8 of EVS with you. The name of the chapter is Games We Play. We are going to learn in this chapter that what is game, what is the meaning of game, and secondly, what are the different types of games. So let us go through this chapter first. Just imagine if you did not have a games or PT period in your school timetable. How disappointed you would be. Very rightly said that if there is no games period, PT period, meaning physical training period, in our school timetable, how disappointed will our students become? You people will become disappointed if there is no games period or PT period in your school timetable. After a long study time, you want to play games to relax and have fun. All the students, after studying for some time, want to play. They want to relax and to have fun. So they can have all this relaxation and fun in games period. So games period is very important for students. Students, here in your book at page 50, you have been given two beautiful pictures of the students playing games. First picture shows us the boys playing Kho game, and in second picture boys are playing cricket. Both these pictures you can identify very well. Now below these pictures you have been given few questions to answer. You can take a pencil in your hand and can write here in the fill-ups. First question is, name your favorite game. You can write any favorite game of your own choice, whether it is cricket, badminton, anything. Write here the spellings of cricket: CRICKET. If your favorite game is cricket, then write down cricket. Otherwise, if you want to play some other game like basketball is your favorite game, then you can write basketball. Spelling for basketball are, note down, BASKET, basket, and BALL, ball. Then the second question is, name two indoor games. Now here you have to write the name of two indoor games. In short, I will be telling you that indoor games are those games which are played inside a room. So here you can write about two indoor games that you play in your home: Ludo and chess. For spellings of Ludo, you can note down LUDO, and for chess, CHESS. Next question is question number 3. Name two outdoor games. In these two fill-ups, you have to give the names of two outdoor games that you play outside your home. Those are played in the playground. Outdoor games: cricket, you can again write CRICKET. And another one you can write basketball or football, FOOT, foot, BALL, ball. Now below these questions there is a definition of game. What actually game is? Try to understand it, students. A game is a structured form of play, usually played for enjoyment and sometimes used as an education tool. What is game? Game is sort of a structured form of play which is played for our own enjoyment, and sometimes through this game we learn also. It is a means of our education also. to teach something also, we play games. Games can teach us rules, challenge, and interaction with others. We try to play different types of games, we interact with different types of people, we have to follow certain rules while playing, we sometimes accept challenges also from other party. So this is a structured form of play usually played for enjoyment and sometimes used as an education tool. Many games help us to stay fit and healthy.